Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to solve check adjacent digit difference. In this we are given a string and we have to return true if the absolute difference between every pair of adjacent digits is at least 2. Otherwise return false. So let's write the code for the same. So we will iterate over the string from 0 to string size -1. Then we check if ABS of s of I minus s of I plus 1 is greater than 2, then we return false. And if all the conditions pass in the array string, so we return true. Let's run this code. Submit it. Its time complexity is big of n and the space complexity is big of 1. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.